Hello and welcome to the course. My name is OctoMan and I'm your instructor for the next couple of hours on how to create a 3D memory game in Unity. We are going to learn how to implement user interface, how to use interactive buttons, as well as visiting a homepage by pressing them buttons, and we are going to create the game in 3D mode. We're gonna learn how a timer works, so a time counts downwards and we're gonna, let's say, fill the amount of that by the rest of the time. We're gonna implement a scoring as well as animating system over here. So whenever we get a match, we're gonna score some points. We can set the points really up if we want to, and we create some particle effects of confetti, which is going to show us, hey, he has made some good progress over here, so the player in this case. We are creating those cards and all the animations around them, as well as we are going to count how much turns we have taken to solve the actual memory game. Once that is going to be complete, we're gonna go over and show some win or lose screen, depending on if the time has been down or not. And once we are there at this point, we can choose if we want to play another round or if we want to go back to the main menu and switch to another, let's say a game mode, for example. So now I'm actually filling this one up, and we now are able to play a next round or go back to the main menu. Also, again, in the background, we are going to learn how to create those particle effects again. We just tweak them a bit, and then we can go back to the menu. We can choose any other game mode, but that's literally everything we are going to learn in this course. So if you're interested into that, feel free to turn in, because we are also taking a look in editor scripting a bit, so it makes your life later on easier if you know what you're doing. I hope to see you in the course. Feel free to turn in and see if you can learn even more and become a better game developer.